Hi everyone. On your driving test, you're going to be asked to pull up on the left about 3-4 times. One of them's going to be on a normal road. One might be on a busy road. You're definitely going to get one where they're going to ask you to pull up close to a car in front. Just leave yourself enough space to move off. We call that an angle start. And you'll definitely get some kind of hill start. Yep. So we're going to go through a few of them. Yep. Now, when you do pull up, make sure you don't block any entrances, any side roads, any driveways. Don't park on any double yellow lines, any single yellow lines which have got parking restrictions, any clearway signs, on the zigzags near schools or pedestrian crossings, and on white lines that are around speed humps as well. Yeah. So I'm going to have a go through some of them. I'm going to talk you through the sequence as well that they expect you to do whilst you move off. Okay, so clutch down into first gear, do my 360 check. There's a car coming from behind. I'm just going to get my bike ready. Right, it's turned off. I'm going to indicate up for right, do a final check over my shoulder, signal down, slowly move off, steer out just a little bit, click the signal off, check my mirrors and then move off. So I'm looking somewhere to park up on the left. Got some cars on my left, it's nowhere safe there, so I'm just going to go a bit further on. Right, I've got some space on my left near the lamppost. No, it's too close to a side road, so I'm not going to do that one. There's one just a bit further up against this grey building, so I'm just going to try and get very close to this side road. Mirror signal left, bring the car in, cover my clutch, straighten up, clutch down, stop close to the curb, stop nice and smooth, put my handbrake on, into neutral, signal off. Quite straightforward. And I'm just checking my mirror. I'm about just under a foot away from the curb, which is good. Right, this next one now is a little bit of a hill start. We're going to do absolutely everything the same. The only thing we're going to do is just introduce a little bit more bite so that when we bring it up, it feels like it's trying to push the car forward. That's going to stop the car from rolling back. So let's have a go at this one. So again, clutch down, into first gear, do my 360 check. There's a van coming up. As it gets closer, I'm going to feel my positive bite. I'm going to indicate, final check before the car moves, really important. Handbrake down, slowly steer away from the car in front. Check my mirrors, click the indicator off, and off we go. Right, I'm now going to do an angle start. I can see a red car in front of me. I'm going to pull up just behind it. So again, mirror signal. There's somebody walking on the curb. Now he's sort of gone in front of me. Thank you. So I'm just going to stop, check again, move off. If the signal goes off, I'm going to put it back on. Mirror signal. I'll bring the car in. And let's just stop about a car length behind this one. Just about there. Handbrake neutral. Now on this one, when you're pulling in, if there's a driveway and they say, don't worry about this driveway on this occasion, just do as they say, and if you've got to block the driveway slightly, that's fine. Now the objective of this one is that when you move off, you don't want to get too close to the car in front, and then at the same time, you don't want to be too far out onto the other side if there's an oncoming vehicle. So you're just going to be steering a bit more, maybe just a couple of miles a bit slower. Yep. So let's have a go. So into first gear, same routine. Must get my 360 check in. Can't make another vehicle have to slow down, stop or swerve if it's coming. So there is a vehicle coming. Indicate, tiny bit of bite. Final check over my right shoulder before I move off. Steer a bit quicker. Steer a bit quicker back in. So I've got a nice space from that car. Check my mirrors and then move off. It's easy as that. Pull up somewhere safe on the left. I can see an area here just after the cycle lane. Mirror signal left. In the car close to the curb. Just coming in at a nice smooth angle. Clutch down. Straighten up. And stop. Handbrake, neutral, signal off. and then they'll say move off again. So it's a bit busy here, it's got quite a few traffic coming. So clutch down into first gear, I do my 360 check, waiting for my gap, there's my gap, indicate, final check before I move off, and off we go. Check the mirrors, click the indicator off if it hasn't gone off, and it's as easy as that. Right, I'm going to do one more for good measure, find somewhere to park up on the left. So I've got a little side road, I'm going to wait till I pass that, I can see a gap after it. Mirror signal, steering, cover my brake, cover my clutch, straighten up, not too far away from the curb, just under a foot, stop, secure the car, into neutral, signal off, and then they'll ask you to move off again. So it's nice and easy as that. Remember, don't rush, don't become a hazard or obstruction to other road users. Even if you looking to park up somewhere on the left on a narrow road, but there's a side road on your right, maybe just go a little bit past it or before it, then that's not going to affect anybody who's trying to go into that side road or come out of it as well. Hope this helps you. Thank you.